How are you children? I hope you are very well and you have also gained the knowledge about light, because in the first class I have told you already what is light and how we can also solve the numerical related to the light also. But first of all, I am going to give you the formation of the image in different type of the mirrors and lenses. So first of all, I am going to teach you, give you knowledge about the formation of the images on in a concave mirror. Then we can put the object in the different places and how we can get the image, what is the nature of the image, what is the position of the image, what type of the image will be formed, and what would be the height of the image, so etc. All of these questions you can find in easy way. There is no problem. Suppose I am going to give you, suppose an object, first number, object is kept, object is kept at C. Here is a question. If the object is kept at C, where the image will be formed and what type of the image will be formed, what will be the nature of the image, I am going to teach you. So here, suppose I have taken a concave mirror. So this is your concave mirror and this one is principal axis, px. Every type of the question will be given. You have to also draw this way a principal axis, and here will be focus and here will be C. Your object is at C, so you have to take, suppose an object at here is C also. Suppose this is AB is object. You have put at C. One ray of light will incident straight to the mirror. Suppose here is M. And then I have told already you that the reflected rays always will pass through the focus. So one ray of light will also, this one way, this one coming and this one also going. Another ray of light will also pass through the focus, this one on the, and then it can also be reflect. Then you can see here the same, and AB, so here is AB dash. So then this will ray come on this path and again will also this one way. So here is also means you have taken AB is the object and here two rays you have to take always. So here AM is the incident ray and it is reflected through the also focus and get given. Another ray of light will come from F2 also on the here, suppose also N. So at point N it will reflect, and after reflection, though both of the rays are really cutting at B point, really cutting, it means this is real image. If they will cut really, then this type of the image will be formed a real image. So it is real image, and I think that AB, A dash, B dash. So it means here is also, here AB and this one A dash, B dash also you can get on the same point. It means it is inverted. Inverted, which means opposite. So then you can draw, in the examination will be given, and draw a neat diagram to show the formation of the image in a concave mirror if the object is kept at C. It means you can draw this one and at last you can write it. At when the object is kept at C, image is for first one and at C. At C, it means the object is at C, the image will also be formed at C. Second one, in real, this is also real image, because why? Because the really they are cutting the point of the reflected ray are cutting really, so this is real image. And the third one is What is also nature? So this is inverted. Inverted means opposite. So this is opposite part. So in this way, you can also draw the net diagram to formation of any type of the image in a concave mirror. And one by one, if the object will be at focus, if the object will be between focus and C, F and C, if the object will be also beyond C, so like this one, so only this type of the question will be selected or given in the examination, and in the short way you can also first of all draw the figure, and after drawing the figure first of all you have to see that what type of the image will be filled, what is the position. So in this position, you can say the position of the image is at C, and the nature is also real and also inverted. So this type of the question will be also selected by the council and the board, so that you can solve in easy way. So this is also formation, and one by one, in another day, in another class, I will also give you lesson about the lenses. This is also a mirror, and the lens is also, lens means not reflection. In rays, that's a refraction. So on the first of all, I will give you introduction about the reflection. What do you mean by reflection of light? What is the cause of reflection of light? And how we can also find the images in a convex lens or concave lens on the basis of the diagram. So you have to also draw the diagram, and if you can also draw the diagram, then definitely you can also solve all of the numerical also. Suppose here I am giving such a, here u is, suppose करिए u is equal to, here is from here to here the object is 24 centimeter, and here this image is fall 20, don't it? F is equal to your 12 centimeter. Then you have to find V. It means according to the figure, the V is at C. But according to numerical, how you can find? So here is all of the object is in the right side, and everything is in the right side. Therefore, everything will be minus. So minus 24 centimeter, minus 24 centimeter by using formula of mirror. So 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, 1 by V plus 1 by minus 24 is equal to minus 1 by 12, or 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 12 or plus 1 by 24 is equal to LCM will be 24. So we are told minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 24. Therefore, V is equal to minus 24 centimeter. It will correct also. U is equal to 24, V is equal to 24. It will be accurate, right. So like this way, both of numericals are related to the figure or your drawing. So it means you can prove yourself that either my numerical is right or not, or my drawing is right or not. It means both are connected to each other. So like this way you can solve, you can also draw the picture, and after drawing the picture you can solve the problem, and you have to also check up yourself that I am going to solve either right or wrong. इस वे बच्चों मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप लोग को समझ में आया होगा। फिर भी मैं और भी अधिक तरीके से कोशिश करूँगा, ताकि हमारे छोटे मोटे नन्हे मुन्हे बच्चे हैं जो दिन रात मेहनत कर रहे हैं, बहुत हमें देखने के बाद हमें बहुत दिक्कत होती है, बहुत अफसोस आती है कि ये बच्चे, हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो है इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, और हमारे छोटी बच्चियाँ जो है, बच्चे जो है, ये एग्ज़ाम में कभी कभी क्या होता है, बच्चे इतने मेहनत करने के बाद भी नहीं कर पाते हैं। जो आए जो सुनते होंगे आप लोग कि सुसाइड हो गया, ये हो गया, लेकिन ये हमें बहुत गंदा लगता है, क्योंकि हमें मेहनत करना है और ये मेहनत हमें करना है। आप लोग को सिर्फ रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप हमारा साथ दें, और हम आप लोग को हमेशा भरसक प्रयास करूँगा कि है ना, आप लोग का अधिक से अधिक स्पष्ट रूप से मैथमेटिक्स हो, चाहे साइंस हो, चाहे आपका फिजिक्स हो, केमिस्ट्री हो या इंग्लिश हो, इन सब्जेक्टों को मैं अच्छी तरह से आप लोग को समझाऊँगा, ताकि लोग किसी प्रकार का आप लोग का प्रॉब्लम ना हो। आई विल सोल्व ऑल ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू द फिजिक्स, टू द केमिस्ट्री, एज वेल एज इंग्लिश एंड ऑल्सो मैथमेटिक्स, सो दैट यू कैन गेट ए गुड मार्क्स एग्जामिनेशन एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो बी वेरी हैप्पी इन योर लाइफ। I will also pray with God that God, Allah or Khuda also will cooperate you, and you can be always happy. You can be also future. You can also become a future bright. This is my aim. This is my also wish for all of you. Good.